You can show or hide website blocks to manage content visibility for specific users at certain times or based on URL parameters. Go to your block settings and click the pencil icon in Show Block based on conditions. Choose an action to take, show or hide if your selected condition is met. Choose a condition to show or hide the block. Always. Displays the block permanently, ignoring other conditions. URL parameter. Filters display based on link parameters. Date and time parameters. Schedules display for specific dates or timeframes. Day of the week. Limits visibility to designated days. Student status and student group. Controls block visibility based on student status or student group. Applicable only to course websites. To identify a student's group, they need to be logged into their account. You can also combine conditions to create more flexible or precise content display scenarios. To add related conditions, click Add Condition and set it up the same way. Select an operator to connect the conditions. And adds dependent conditions and checks if all conditions are met. Any adds alternative conditions and checks if any condition is met.